Let us talk about one more feature of Python, that is dictionary. So basically dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of data values used to store data values like map, or which may be any other data where it can have some value along with some key. That is, in general, dictionary holds key value pair. So key value is provided in the dictionary to make it more optimized. In Python, we can create this dictionary by placing sequence of elements within curly braces and separated by comma. Dictionary hold the pairs like key and value, corresponding value. Dictionary keys are case sensitive, the same name, but different cases of key will be treated distinctly. So this particular we have to remember while using dictionary in the program. Then dictionary can also be created by built-in function, that is dict, or otherwise you can assign it by creating the particular name and then into the curly braces whatever items you want to add. So basically it is treated as a mutable type of a container, and it is a basic data structure, iterative category, and number of Python objects including other container types, these are all are available. So dictionaries consist of pairs, as I already mentioned. Here is one example, simple example, where say one name is there, Alice, and one some say number or something like a code I have just written. So like that you can enter. This is a curly bracket where you are giving the entire list of elements, and you can create the dictionary like this also. So for example, dictionary 1, this is the key and the value, and another one is key and the value, and it may be any other thing. So that means it is not necessary that all the elements from the dictionary are have to be of same type. It is not necessary. So here this is some different style, key value pair, this is something different. So it may be alphanumeric and any other category. Each key is separated from its value by colon. The items are separated by commas, and the whole thing is enclosed in curly braces. The empty dictionary without any items is written with just 2 curly braces. So like this. So these are some facts about dictionary. So we can proceed further. Now for accessing the value, you can directly give the dictionary name, and then you can access or print particular element. So this will be the result. For example, here one I have seen, just I'm showing you. We will write the program. Just quickly I'm taking the review. So here is one more where, say for example, these are some name and age kind of information, then class information, and then one by one you can have access to the entry and you can print appropriately. So these are certain things you can update in the dictionary, you can delete from the dictionary. So we can use all this. There are some of the simple examples where something in the form of value and key is written and the operation is performed. There are built-in functions and methods in the dictionary. So functions are compare. So dictionary 1 and 2, it is going to compare elements from both dictionaries. Then len, that is length of the dictionary. So this will be equal to number of items in the dictionary. Then str produces a printable string representation of a dictionary, and a type returns the type of past variable. If past variable is dictionary, then it would return dictionary type. So these are the things. And as far as methods are considered, then these are some of the methods, like dictionary.clear. This is going to remove all the elements of dictionary directly. Then second one is dictionary.copy. So it is going to return shallow copy of dictionary. Then create. So dictionary dict.from keys. So this is going to create a new dictionary with keys from sequence and value set to value. Then dictionary.get for key to key return value or default if key not in dictionary. Then dictionary.items. So it is going to return key value tuple pair. And dictionary.keys. This is going to return list of dictionary keys. And dictionary.set default. So similar to get. and then dictionary dot update. So this is also going to be useful for updating, and dictionary dot values going to return values of the dictionary. So this way, these are some of the methods and functions. So now let us move to some sample program. So this is first one. One or two programs here we will see, and few more also. One sample just I am showing you. All items in the dictionary, whichever are given, this program is going to add all those. That is one dictionary here declared DICT equal to say A is a key, value is 100, B is a key, value 200, and so on. So these are just some of the entries, and we have written one small function df return sum from my dictionary. This argument is of dictionary type. Then sum is equal to 0 initially, and for I in my dictionary. So automatically, as we know that this for loop is going to get iterated based on whatever we are writing here, either with the help of range function, or directly if when such iterative data or the sequential data or iterative manner, when data structure is available like list or a dictionary or then we can directly use it, and it will automatically based on the length of that particular this loop will get executed. Those many times it will get executed. So this is sum is equal to sum plus my dictionary, whichever are items, then return sum. So dictionary is equal to this. These are the all four entries, and then just I have written print sum, and the return sum is dictionary. So when we pass here DICT, so automatically it will understand whatever is written in this dictionary, whichever are the values assigned with the keys. So addition of those values will be carried out. So let me show the execution. Now the total sum is coming 1000. So here you can see. Now if we change, see here 100 plus 200, you can see here answer is 1000, and this is just because of little screen size, but here you can see 100 plus 200 plus 400 plus 300, so total it's 1000. Let me change here one. So say if I am making it 500, I will run it once again, so that okay, now the answer is instead of 400 I made 500, and that's why here you can see 100 plus 200 300 plus 500 800 plus 300, so total is 1100. So this is simple first program I have taken. Now in next session we will go for a few more programs.